Right now, users can view their profile, update it, and reply to threads. It's time to let them start their own discussions by creating new threads. To implement this feature, we will need a page component, a route, and some actions and mutations in our store. We can begin with the page component. Let's create a thread create page in the pages directory. As always, we will grab the markup from our mockup. Since the threads are children of forums, in order to find the create thread page, we have to navigate to a forum and hit start a thread. I will copy the form and paste it into our template. Let's see what this markup contains. The heading shows the name of the forum where our new thread will be created. In the mockup, the example forum is cooking, so here we will replace that with forum.name. Next is the form element. When the form is submitted, we want to trigger a method like create or save. We can do that by listening to the submit event. We can also prevent the browser's default behavior using the prevent event modifier. Then, we have an input for the title and a text area for the content of the new thread. So, we can bind these to a title and a text property. Lastly, we have the action buttons, a button to cancel thread creation and one to submit the form. We will figure out what we want to do on cancel once we built the rest of the functionality. Since we are listening to the form submit event, we don't have to use an event listener for the submit button. Alright, we are ready to start working on the script. Here, we likely will need to be passed a prop for the forum that we will add the thread to. Next, for the data, we need a title and a text property. Lastly, we need to implement the save method. Here, we will dispatch a Vuex action so we can create the action first. We will do that in the next lesson.